This complete gym membership management system help you to manage your complete gym related operations within this single dashboard. You can check in your members directly from your dashboard. You can manage your leads and inquiries as well as members. Also, you can manage their subscriptions and their payments. We have implemented the different type of roles like the owner, manager, trainer, receptionist, and the member, as well as you can define their permission levels. Let's take example. This is a trainer. I want that my trainer can able to view the subscriptions. I just simply enable it from here. I want that my trainer cannot able to delete the members. I just simply uncheck it from here. Now my trainer can able to view the subscriptions but cannot able to delete the members. So same like that, you can define the permissions as per your own business needs. Also, we have implemented the email notification. You can simply enable or disable from here. Also, you can run this automatically daily on the same time. By the end of this video, I will tell you how you will get these prompts to make the same application with the help of the Claude. So for that, you need to watch this video complete, and by the end of this video, I will tell you how you can do that. This gym membership management system is built by using the Google Sheets as a database and Google Web App script. Because this is free to use, you don't need to buy any kind of hosting. So this is our user sheets where we have our username and password. For our multiple roles, we just simply go to our website and fill up our username and password and hit this sign in button. So once I hit this sign in button, it's right now loading and I am successfully logged in as a admin. So this is a dashboard where you can take the overview of the complete system. And if you want to check in a member, you can directly check in from here. I just simply enter the member ID and you can see the check-in is successful. So it means now this member is available in my gym. So this is a dashboard where you can take the overview of the complete system like the revenue last 6 months, the peak hours in my gym, as well as the active members, the subscriptions, the check-ins. Also, you can see who's in the gym right now, so you can see all the members. Also, you can see the renewals in 7 days, the 15 days and 30 days. Also, you can check out the leads and follow-ups, each and everything. We have implemented the multiple filters like the 30-day dashboard, 7-day dashboard, and also we have added the search filter which will be search data from the complete sections. Even it is lead, members, membership plans, subscriptions, payments, expenses, etc. So you can see this relative search is found in my member sections. I just simply hit this member one and that will be redirected me to the member sections where I can found the 001 member. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard. Also, we have implemented the theme changer. You can simply change the theme color of the complete dashboard as per your own needs, as per your own branding. My most favorite is this, so I just implement this. Also, if you want to enable the dark mode, you can also do it from here. So now let's move to the leads and inquiry sections. In the leads and inquiry sections, that is your most first step in your gym membership system. First of all, we assume that a member is come to my gym and they want to get the services in my gym. So I need to make a lead. I just simply hit this add lead button and fill up the information. So you can see the demo data is fill up. I have added the this system for just for you to show you the complete real demo in my videos. So I have fill up my demo data and hit this save button. So once I hit this save button, as of now, you can see the data is going to be saved in my Google Sheets. Once the data is saved, it will be saved in my Google Sheets. Also, I can easily able to see in my data tables. I have implemented the SWR technology, so it will show you the cache data and then send request to the server and get new data from the server silently and update your front end without telling you. So that is the thing, that is why my most of the web applications working very fast. So you can see the lead 14 is appeared here, and if I have done the negotiation with this lead and I want to convert to a gym membership member, so I just simply hit this convert to member. So once I hit this convert to member, fill up the relative information. So I just simply hit, fill up the demo data from here. So if the person they want their own specified username like their name and password, also their name. So you can simply add it here on the real time. If you don't add it here, it will create it automatically. You can simply leave blank it from here. So now the lead want a membership plan class only monthly 6,000 rupees. The start date, if you want to give them the discount, you just simply give it from here. And if they pay you the 3,000 rupees and they don't pay you the 6,000 rupees, which is the complete fees, so now the 3,000 will be added in their credit balance. So I just simply hit this convert and sell classes only monthly. So once I click on this convert, now this lead will be converted to our member, and a subscription is automatically created in our member or subscription sections. So you can see it is right now converting. Once the converting is completed, it will give you a successful pop-up. So you can see the member is converted. Lead 14 is now GM0012 membership activated. So let's go to the member sections. We can see is it really activated in our system or not. So we just simply check it. Here is our 0012 available. So you can see the name is lead 14, the phone and the member is successfully created. Also, their username and password is also created in our staff and user sections. Okay, so that is our staff and user sections. Their membership is also created and the email and password is successfully delivered to their email address. Okay, so now let's go to the member sections. In the member sections, when you just simply hit this button, so you can see the complete view of the membership profile, the 360-degree view. In what come in your 360-degree view, I will tell you once the loading is completed. So you can see the complete overview of their membership profile. This is the membership they have right now activated. This is the payment they have done right now, and that is the lifetime paid. The outstanding balance is 3,000. Okay, as well as they have attended the classes, booking is zero and the attendance in the gym is actually zero. So that is the thing. And if you want to add more membership plans, like one membership plan for children, one membership plan for another thing, one membership plan for another thing, you just simply hit this add plan and fill up the plan code, the plan name, and I just simply add the demo data from here, and that is the unlimited class credits, and hit this save button. So once I hit the save button, so you can see the plan 5 is going to be created in my system and it will be displayed on the real time in my data without any delay. So if you want to import the data, for example, you have the hundred of plans, but you don't want to add it manually, by simply click on this add plan, fill up the information. You want to import all of the plan in one go, just simply download the template from here, open the template, fill up the information and simply import CSV and select the plan and open, and now click on this import. So once you click on this import, right now if the plan is already available in your data table, it will be skipped. If the plan is already not available in your data table, it will be added automatically. Okay, so same data it will be skipped. So same feature we have implemented in our member sections, in our lead and inquiry section. So it is easy to transform your previous system to this system, previous system data to this system data. So now let's go to the subscription section. In the subscription sections, you can also create a new subscription. Just simply select a member, their latest membership. You can see it here. Right now our system is checking the history. If this person already have the membership, so you can see the records. The last membership is cancelled. Only classes on the July 13th to August 28th 6 paid zero, and the due balance is this. And now if they want any new plan, you just simply select it from here and fill up the demo information. So once you fill up the demo information, so you can see it is right now checking the history. So the member 7 is selected. So that is the price. And if you want to sell subscription plus collect Rs 3,000 rupees, just simply hit this sell subscription and collect Rs 3,000 rupees. So you can see that it's complete overview, price breakdown, and the subscription is created successfully. So once the subscription is created successfully, in the action column, you will see a option renew subscription. If the lead 13 member want to renew their subscription, you just simply renew the subscription from here. And if they want to freeze and hold their subscription, they can also do it from here. And if they want cancel subscription, you can also do it from here. If you want to delete, you can just simply delete it from here. As well as you can see right now the lead 14 have outstanding balance is 3,000 rupees. I already made a payment 3,000, but the 3,000 is outstanding. So I just want to collect the payment, so it will be redirected to my payment sections. I just simply hit this collect payment, and in the you can see the loading outstanding dues. So once it's loading, we will check it from here, the lead 14. So that is the lead 14, the 3000 rupees is pending. So I just simply click on this collect rs 3000 rupees. Now this subscription is completely paid and there is no outstanding or due balance right now. So you can see the invoice 3 is payment collected successfully. Let's go back to our subscription sections. In the subscription sections, you can see the data is updated on the real time. So now this is the expenses sections for our gym. So you can see if you want to add a expense, you just simply add the demo data from here and hit the save button. So once you hit the save button, that demo data will be added in your expense section, in your expense section sheets, and that all the data will be saved in your different sheets. Like the membership plan will be saved it here, the subscription will saved it here, the payment will subscribe save it here. So that is our classes sections. If you want to add a class, you just simply enter the class name, the status, the duration of the class, the default capacity, the description of the class, and hit the save button. So that information will be saved it here. Also, you can apply the edit or delete functionalities. So this is our class schedule. If you want to see in the table view, you can also see it from here. Right now, this class have the maximum 12 capacity. One is already booked. Now it means the 13 seats is available still. So that is the timetable. If you want to take a print the timetable and dispatch on your gym main you can see the description, so you can also do it from here. So that is the booking sections for your class. I just simply click on this here, pick the upcoming session, pick the member, and hit this book button. So now that member will be booked for this session. So that is our check-in desk. The same thing we have implemented in the dashboard for quick check-in, and that is the separate section is available here. If a member come to your gym, you just simply enter their membership code, that will be check into your gym, and you will be see that the lead 13 is available in my gym from the last 10 minutes. If you want to check out, you just simply click on this checkout from here, and now that person will be check out from here. You can see to your visit history, and you can see the lead 13 is here, the in date or is here, and the in out time is this. The total duration available in my gym is 10 minutes. Let's go back to the check-in desk, and you can see that currently in your gym only these two members. So now the last thing, this is the report sections where you can see the complete report of the system as well. And this is the staff and user sections. You already know how you can create a new user, password, etc., edit and delete. And this is a setting section. You can change the gym name, the monthly revenue target, the gym open time, and the gym closes time, the app logo URL. If you want to enable the emails automatically triggered daily and sent to the uh, match the criteria, you just simply enable it from here, set the time from here, remind this many days before expiry, and hit this save email setting. So once you hit the save email setting, now this will be triggered in your app script. Now daily on this particular time, 9 o'clock, the email trigger will run and the match criteria will get their updates. So that is the activity logs where you can see the complete system activity, and you already know this is the role and permission sections, and this is the about app section where you can see what owner can do, what manager can do, what trainer can do, and each and everything. Also, we have implemented the complete formulas and business logic. If you want to change any formula or business logic, you can directly contact us on our WhatsApp, or you just simply subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So now the thing is that how you can build this with the help of Claude. You just simply need to install the Visual Studio Code. Once you open the Visual Studio Code, just simply go to your extension sections, and you need to search it from here, the Claude. Once you search the Claude, you will see the extension for the Claude, and you just simply install it from here. Once you install the extension, you will see the icon here. Just simply click on this icon and continue with your Claude subscription. You can purchase any $20 plan, $100 plan, or $200 plan, and simply log in it for here. And by you can how you can get this prompt. So for that, what you need to do, you just simply need to go to your membership portal, and open your membership portal from here. Simply click on this login, and log into your account. Once you log in with your account, you will see in the sidebar AI learning option. So once you see in the sidebar the AI prompt option, you just simply go it here, and we will add this video after uploading on the YouTube. The prompt will be displayed here. Just simply click on this view video prompts, and once you click on this view video prompts, that is the video and this is the prompt one, and you just simply copy it from here and paste in your Claude code and build the same applications with the help of the AI. So we thank you very much. Take care. We will meet you in our next video.